Hello, in this video I will show you how can you replace your variant image swatches with the images that's not part of your product. So let's go to our admin page, and here inside the assign images page, under more actions, you can find edit swatches button. When you click on it, you will see a screen where you can actually edit Rubik swatch color. Here you can select color, or you can select the image to show inside swatches. So let's select image for this example. So here's the exact image that I want to use there. And same as in Excel, you can just do like this and assign same image to all the options. And let's do it for all rest of it. I will speed up the video for you so you don't have to watch all of them. Okay, now we finished assigning images. Now let's go back to our page and refresh it. Now as you see, all the images assigned here, and they are not inside our products, so people actually can select color, but it doesn't have to be inside your variants. So you can use separate files, and because it has texture, everything, using just normal color would not be enough here. Additionally, you can change, of course, shape and style of this. So let's go back to here, our swatch settings. And here you can actually make it circle, and that will look probably much better. Let's refresh the page. Yes, and you can make it actually smaller. So let's make it smaller. Okay, and let's check it again. Yes, that's how it works. You just need to have perfect square images so it looks better here, or you can just make here cover option, which actually should solve the issue here. Let's check it. So yeah, perfect. When you choose that option, so let me show you again. When you choose cover option, it will actually fit images better here. So that works much nicer. So that's how it looks. And you can also apply colors here. So let me show that example as well. So let's go back here. Let's check our slides again. So we found it. Now we are going to assign swatches here, and we can assign actually colors here. So let me clear this one. So we can just assign now colors. Okay, we can do like this. And again, I will just speed up the video here. Okay, now I finished setting up all the colors. Now we just need to save here. And let's go back to our page and refresh the page. Now you can see it's showing all the colors here, and it looks also nice. But yeah, depends on your taste, preference. I would prefer using images if you can, but you can also use colors. And yeah, that's how this feature works. Thanks a lot for watching.